Now in this session I am going to explain about the functions and formulas in MX Excel. Okay. So how you use function and formulas in Excel you should learn here. Now move forward. This is introduction to function and formulas. Microsoft Excel has many capabilities that make it suitable for use as a data management tool. It provides multiple features for organizing and managing data so you can ensure that data is entered correctly and calculations and formulas are valid. So it is used basically for the analysis purpose, and for analysis you have to calculate some data to generate the results, and after basis of that result you found or you analyze the thing. Okay. Now Excel make use of formulas. Basically formulas are the mathematical expressions that you create, and functions are mathematical expressions that already available in Excel. So formula you create and function you use. Okay. So function previously defined in Excel that are implicit, and formulas are the explicit declaration by the user. Okay, now move forward. Here you see the formula basics. Formulas in Microsoft Excel begin with an equal sign. The equal sign tells Excel that the succeeding character constitute a formula. If you don't enter the equal signs, Excel will treat your entry as text and doesn't perform the calculation. So for starting a calculation or to starting a formula, you first have to enter equal to sign. Now move forward. Now entering formula. After the equal sign, a formula includes the address of the cell whose values will be manipulated with appropriate operands placed in between. The operands are the standard arithmetic operators. For example, you show here the operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide, and caret, exponent, that is also called. And the meaning is, if you press a plus button it performs addition, if you press minus button it performs subtraction, and if you perform multiplication the multiplication should be performed. So you see here example equal to a7 plus a9, which is shown in the example section. Here the value of a7 and the value of a9 should be added. So when you place plus operator between the two cell address, the content of that cell should be added together. Okay, now move forward. Here you see you can also enter formula by using the point mode. You can enter, click on the cell with the left mouse button, or you use the arrow key. To enter is equal to b2 plus b3 plus b4 plus b5 into cell b6. Use the point left click on the cell b6. So when you left click on the cell b6, the base will become active. Then type equal to. When you type equal to and move your mouse pointer towards the b2 cell and select that cell. After selecting b2 cell, you have to enter plus sign. So press plus button so that the plus sign should be added. Then click on b3 cell. You see the address automatically put in the formula. Then you again press plus button and then click on a B4 cell. You see in the formula the B4 address should be added, and then again press plus button and click on the B5 cell. The address should be added. After completing all these things, you just enter the key to get the result. Okay, so press enter when you are finished entering the formula, you get the result. So you can use the mouse pointer to select the address. You can also type the address by the keyboard. Okay, now move forward. Here you see functions. Functions are the predefined formulas that come with the Excel. So Excel provide you the facility of functions. You can use the functions to do your task very efficiently. Okay, now move forward. This is how you enter the function. Function differ from regular formula in that after the equal signs you supply the cell address, but not the arithmetic operator. Functions perform calculation by using specific values called arguments. So when you use the function, you pass the cell address as an argument to the function in a particular order called syntax. When using a function, remember the following: use an equal sign to the beginning. Second, specify the function name. Third, enclose all the functions argument within parentheses. And the fourth, use a comma to separate the function individual arguments. So these are the basics when you uses function. Now move forward. Here you see reference operators. The reference operator refer to the cell or a group of cells. There are two main type of reference operators. First is range and second is union. Okay, it refers to all the cells between and including the reference. Consists of two cell address separated by a colon. For example, here you see A1 colon A3 includes all the cells A1, A2 and A3. In the next example you see A1 colon C3. It includes all the cells between A1 to C3, including A1 and C3 also. So A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, all the cells are added when you write A1 colon C3. Second is union, includes two or more references, consists of two or more cell address separated by a comma. For example, A7, B8, C9 refer to the cells A7, B8 and C9. Here you see in the next example A7, B8 colon D9, E4. It refers to the cell A7 and from B8 to B9. So B8 and B9, B8 to D9. Okay, so B8, B9, C8, C9, D8, D9 and E4. See, all the cells are included. Now move forward. AutoSum. You can use the AutoSum icon which is shown in the standard toolbar. It automatically adds the content of cluster of the adjacent cells. First you have to select the cell that the sum will appear. It's outside the cluster of the cell. Click the AutoSum button. Okay, the highlighted cells should be added and output should be shown by the AutoSum. So AutoSum feature actually used to add the cells, adjacent cells which is selected by the user. You need not to enter any formula, you just select the cell and press the AutoSum button which is located in the standard toolbar. Now move forward. This is a function wizard you see in the figure. You see here in the figure. This function wizard access all the available function in Excel. Select the cell where the function will be placed and click the function wizard button on the standard toolbar. Other way of starting the function wizard are select function from the insert drop menu. Click on the insert drop arrow next to the AutoSum icon button. You first see the commonly used function in Excel at the bottom of the menu. Okay, there is more function option also. Click on the more function. It will give you alphabetical and categorical listing of all the available functions in the Excel. So function wizard is a tool where you should find all the functions that are available in the Excel. Okay, so